musumbi Dr. William Ruto easya Tuivika mwakani wa 2023 silikali nivaniite kuithya Amanyiw'A milioni 10 alame masukuluni kukwata mbau kisomo musumbi easya kwa silikali niyiithasya Amanyiw'A milioni 2.6 ila ni wongeleku wa kuma Amanyiw'A na kuma mwakani wa 2009 na musangi na kutunanga weno.
Onana kavindani kalevi kite cha thini musumbi William Ruto nuwetie kana sana kukwata leo Sukulu kwa yuteseso yende na wongeleku kuma siana 2.6 kuma mwakani wa 2009 muvakasiana milioni 2.6 kwa oyu nuwetie kana kufikia mwakani wa 2013 iseso ikavania kufikia siana milioni 10 vanzi ya Kenya.
It has been our long-held aspiration to maximize school enrollment and retention to ensure every child in Kenya has access to education. Recognizing that access to food and nutrition is a significant factor in keeping children in school, Kenya introduced the school meals program as early as 1966, when I was born, just 3 years after our independence. That's how long we have a history with school feeding program. It is the one thing that I insisted that must be in the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza. The whole city of Kenya, with too many children out of school, largely because of two things: infrastructure in our schools, and secondly, hunger.
School meals increase school enrollment. It improves school attendance. It creates gender parity and contributes to improved health and nutritional status. This ultimately enhances the ability to focus, engage, and succeed academically.
Utauna wetie utena siana iko kwa ataleo na kukile kisomo. Menya mawe ya tekwidwa yusovu ndumana kwa ilangia movea wa uimi. Yinginu wetie serikali itayongelangia kimanza keilo vile tumeka kudho wale uno kenda kwa ilese soye kufikia siana mbeyange.
Hunger remains a significant challenge to the well-being of many, particularly in arid and semi-arid areas and also in our informal settlements. To address this, we have tripled the budgetary allocation for school feeding and set a clear goal to expand the program's coverage from 2.6 million kids to 10 million children by 2030. Towards this end, we launched an operational plan to scale up the program early this month. We are committed to action and fully determined to succeed. Kenya is also addressing climate change or climate challenges by combining initiatives that promote resilience, including robust support for school meals, provision of local sourcing, and fostering sustainable practices such as clean cooking and the adoption of drought-resistant crops.
Nokenda kwa ilese soye, ya Kenya ni akwatani na Global Schools Meals Coalition mwakani wa 2011 ni wawala ni wakuikithya sana maskulu ni si akwatali wakuya. Watamu musumbi ni waikithya si alimu kana mwini wambe mwakani tuendete wakiedha mianyingili miongole ya mauya alimu.
In the last 2 years, we've hired 56,000 teachers more. And next January, we are hiring another 20,000 teachers so that every child in our schools have access to a teacher and they can learn. It is also a moment that even as we move into grade 9, we've not only finalized the process of building an extra 11,000 classrooms as government. I've also asked our members of parliament using their constituency development fund to also build another 6,000 classrooms so that next year we are ready to make sure that every child that grows to grade 9 have a classroom, they have a teacher, and I am very happy to announce that we have already made all the learning material available.
The whole issue of stability, political stability, and democratic regimes and governments that are brought in through the popular vote by the people really matter, because it is political stability that will allow us to have the school children go there and allow us to feed them. So it is on that note that I commend the political climate in Kenya. Very vibrant. But it's all by the book. This is the only place where a presidential election can be nullified, but people go back to the ballot and get out of that hole.
Guripota Vlingwa Mauvo Nilina Mosangi.